Hello, good morning, YouTube. This is your boy, aka Pastor Ed, um, Minister Ed, Brother Ed from Arizona. Just wanted to say thank you so much for liking my videos and my inspiration video. I wanted to talk to you this morning about credit, financial education, and credit. How can you boost your credit from where you are to even 800 score? I got so much knowledge when it comes to credit. I can help you and guide you how to build your personal credit and also your business credit. So if you are really interested, I want you to reply and message me directly, inbox me, and let me know where you are. Are you interested to building your personal credit and also business credit? And I can help you. Also, I wanted to let you know about my travel agency company. Is called Nadia Travel Agency. Um, we help people with all travel arrangement from airline ticket to hotels, rental cars, um, also cruises if you like to travel. And also I wanted to talk to you about joining my company if you're interested in making money on the side and being a travel agent or having your own agency. I'll be able to help you and guide you and get you some income. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the benefit of traveling and um, gaining financial freedom and financial independence. Maybe you just wanted to join part-time. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you wanted to enjoy your life, and meanwhile you're working, you can be able to do it part-time until you see the potential of income. Then you can either quit your job or keep your job or whatever you want to do. So it's legit, it's real. I partner with one of the major travel agency company, Planet Market, um, Planet Marketing, and also Intel Travel, Intel Travel Company. And if you want to learn more about it, I want you to inbox me down at the bottom, and I'll be able to guide you on how to join our venture and our business, and we'll be able to help you to get the income that you deserve for yourself and your family. Also help your families and friends. Meanwhile, you're enjoying the bonus and the compensation from our company. I never seen anything like that. It's amazing compensation and one of the best travel industry. Um, I don't really want to call it a network, but it's different. And we have an event coming in Phoenix, Arizona, um, next weekend. It's going to be, I will share the details if when you inbox me, because it's only by invite I'll be able to get you a seat. If you're interested and you want to learn more about travel agency and how to get yourself and your family into travel industry and owning your own agency as a travel agency, travel agent and travel advisor, a travel consultant, and there is so much benefit and there is so much opportunity and excelling in this venture. Meanwhile, you own, you learn more, you earn more. Meanwhile, you learning, you also owning some income, and it is legit. It is legit company. So I want you to directly inbox me, message me down, and I'll respond to your message. Also leave me your phone number if you're interested to become your own agency and you want to become your own boss and you want to work for yourself and you can work only 10 or 15 hours a week. or however you choose, and the income potential is unlimited income potential. All right, God bless you. Let's go. Thank you so much.